Hello everyone. In this session, we will continue with different terminologies used in a data structure. So last time we have started with what is tree, what is a node in a tree, okay, and we have also discussed what are the different types of tree. That is a binary tree, then general tree, and so on. So in this session, we will see some terminologies related to a tree only. Okay, and such type of questions will be asked in MSBT examination for 2 marks. Okay, so generally we will see the first point, that is the question is asked in following format, right? So question is describe. You can note down the question also, so simultaneously we will see the concept as well as questions. Describe following terms. Okay, such type of questions will be asked with respect to WRT, means with respect to tree. So you want to describe following terms with respect to tree, and the terms are, the first term is leaf node. What do you mean by leaf node in a tree? And the second sub point is level of a node. Okay, second sub point is level of node. So this is for 2 marks, right? So you have to define what is leaf node, okay, for 1 mark. Then you have to define or describe what is level of a node for 1 mark. I think you have noted down this question. Okay, if it is not possible for you, you can pause the video and you can note down the question. That is very important. Okay, now we will see these terms one by one. Let us consider this tree. Okay, so an important thing is that when you want to answer any question regarding definition of a tree, okay, at that time you have to use a diagram, you have to use a tree. ज्या ज्याला तुम्हाला डिफिनेशन द्यायचे असेल त्या प्रत्येकाला तुम्हाला काय करायचं आहे, डायग्राम यूज करायचं आहे. ओके, सो दिस इज वन ट्री. आय विल गिव अ नेम ॲज figure tree T1. So T1 is a tree, and how we will define this tree? Okay, we will define a tree by using a root node. So by observation itself you can say that, okay, A is the root node for a tree T1, right, and B and C are the children. So the first point is, what is a leaf node? What is a leaf node, right? So the definition is that leaf means, मराठीमध्ये लीफ म्हणजे काय, फांद्या, झाडाच्या फांद्या. व्हॉट इज अ लीफ नोड? ओके, द नोड्स, ओके, देर आर 3 nodes in this particular tree. Okay, node A, node B and node C. Okay, then what is a leaf node? Okay, you have to identify this particular part. For given tree T1, okay, what is a leaf node? Then A is a parent node, B and C are the child nodes. Right, B and C are the child nodes. Then what is a leaf node? The nodes in a tree which do not or does not have any child. Okay, I will repeat this definition. The nodes in a tree which does not have any child, those nodes are called as a leaf node. Those nodes are called as a leaf node. You can write down this definition. The nodes in a tree which does not have any child, it is called as a leaf node. So you can observe this particular representation. Here we are having a 3 nodes, node A, node B and node C. Out of these 3 nodes, node A is having 2 children, node B and node C. These are the children for node A. Okay, for node A, B and C are the children. But for node B, there is a no children, as well as for node C, there is no children. So the first column is for a node, this column is for a node, and second column is for a children. So by observation you can say, for a node A we are having a 2 children. For a node A there are 2 children, node B and node C. But for node B and node C, okay, there are no children. A साठी B आणि C हे 2 चिल्ड्रेन आहेत, पण B साठी किंवा C साठी कोणताही चिल्ड्रेन नाही. Then node B and node C are called as a leaf nodes. Okay, so it is very simple, right? So I will draw one more tree. Okay, now I will do this particular task little bit complicated. Okay, so this is node A, this is node B, okay, this is node C and this is node D. So there are 4 nodes again. Okay, for node A, B and C are the children. Sorry, I will draw this tree again. I am facing some difficulty to draw this by using the whiteboard. I don't have a normal blackboard, so bear with me. Okay, I am trying my best. So I am making these two columns. First column is for a node and second column for a children if they are present. For node A, B, C, these are the children. For node B, D is the children. For node C, there is no children. For node D, there is no children. राईट. सो नाव आता बघा, खूप लक्षपूर्वक बघा, ह्या ट्रीमध्ये ए हा काय आहे, रूट नोड आहे. बी, सी आणि डी हे सगळे काय चिल्ड्रेन आहेत. चिल्ड्रेन आहेत, ते सगळे चिल्ड्रेन आहेत. ओके, बी आणि सी एचे चिल्ड्रेन आहेत, डी हा बीचा चिल्ड्रेन आहेत. ओके, तेव्हा हा पार्ट काय, फक्त हा जो वरचा पार्ट मी हायलाईट करतो आहे. ओके ओके, हा काय आपला रूट नोड आहे. रिमेनिंग पार्टमध्ये चाइल्ड आहेत, चिल्ड्रेन आहेत. ठीक आहे, तेव्हा बी, सी, डी या तिन्ही गोष्टी काय चिल्ड्रेन आहेत. परंतु चिल्ड्रेन असेल, एखादा नोड चिल्ड्रेन असेल म्हणजे तो लीफ नोड असेल असं काही नाही आहे. असं काही मॅन्डेटरी गोष्ट नाही आहे. लीफ नोडची कन्सेप्ट काय, ज्या नोडला चिल्ड्रेन अवेलेबल नसते त्या नोडला लीफ नोड म्हणायचं. आता विचार करा, तुम्ही प्रश्न विचारा या ट्रीला, नोड ए हा कोणता नोड आहे, रूट नोड आहे. ठीक आहे, हरकत नाही. त्याला चिल्ड्रेन आहे का, आहे. बी आणि सी या चिल्ड्रेन आहेत. नोड बीला चिल्ड्रेन आहे का, आहे. नोड बीला सुद्धा चिल्ड्रेन अवेलेबल आहे. तर नोड बी लीफ नोड होऊ शकतो का, होऊ शकत नाही. नोड बी इज नॉट अ लीफ नोड, राईट. नोड सीला चिल्ड्रेन आहे का, नोड सीला चिल्ड्रेन नाही. सो नोड सी इज अ लीफ नोड. नोड डीला चिल्ड्रेन आहे का, नोड डीला सुद्धा चिल्ड्रेन नाही. सो नोड डी इज अ लीफ नोड. So in this tree there are only two leaf node that are C and D. तेव्हा एखादा नोड चाइल्ड नोड आहे, ओके, किंवा चिल्ड्रेन आहे, याचा अर्थ तो लीफ नोड असेल असं कुठेही मॅन्डेटरी कंडिशन नाही. लीफ नोडसाठी काय काय कन्सेप्ट आहे, द नोड विच डज नॉट हॅव एनी चिल्ड्रेन ऑर एनी चाइल्ड. ज्या नोडला स्वतःचं चाइल्ड अवेलेबल नसतं त्या नोडला काय म्हणायचं, लीफ नोड म्हणायचं. झाडाच्या फांद्या, शेवटचा पॉईंट झाडासाठीचा. सो दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज अ लीफ नोड. ओके, सो इन गिवन ट्री सी अँड डी आर द लीफ नोड. सो कन्सेप्ट इज व्हेरी इझी. I have given this little bit complicated example so that you can understood it very well. Okay, next part is the level of a node. Next we will see what is level of a node. So again I am drawing this tree, node A, this is node B, right, this is node B and this is node C. Then what is level of a tree, or level of a node? Okay, how you will identify level of a node? Okay, then level of a node is started from 0. Okay, so node which is present at root level, it is having a level of that node is 0, L0. Okay, next nodes are at level 1 and so on. Okay, so the position of a node, what is definition of a level of a node? Okay, definition is position of a node. What is position of node? Position of node in a tree hierarchy. This is a hierarchy, right? Okay, position of a node in given tree hierarchy is called level of a node, right? Okay, you can write down this definition. Position of a node in a given tree hierarchy is called as a level of a node. So if you take this example again, if you have taken this example, node A, node B and node C, right? So for the given tree what we can do is, okay, we can make the levels. So for a node A, position is at level 0, L0, right? Okay, for a node B and node C, position is level 1, right? So for a node B, level of a node B is 1, level of a node C is 1, level of a node A is 0. In this way, if you are having a very long tree, at that time also you can easily identify what is level of a node. Okay, तुमच्या ट्रीच्या ही हायरार्ची आहे. हे काय रिप्रेझेंट जे आपण करतोय त्याला हायरार्ची म्हणतो आपण. तुमच्या ट्री हायरार्चीमध्ये नोड कुठे आहे त्याच्यावरून आपण लेवल ऑफ अ नोड ठरवतो. ओके ओके, So we'll see these things, okay, remaining terms, okay, in the next session. Okay, thank you all.